What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your RPB-XL and how to connect two of them through TWS. Let's get to it. Now this video is going to apply to you whether you have the black color or the camo color, so don't worry. Now included with every RPB-XL is a 3.5mm aux cable as well as the USB-C charging cable. So the USB-C end over here plugs directly where it says charging on the silk screen of the unit, and the other end is going to go either into your computer to charge it or into a charging block into the wall. Now you can use the included 3.5mm aux cable to plug directly into the aux input on the back over here, and this is really useful if you want to play music off of an iPad or anything that has a headphone jack. We actually use it here at Rockville in our conference room to be our computer speakers when we do Zoom calls, and everyone around the big table is able to hear what's going on. Now on top of the aux input, you also have a USB and SD card input. Now this USB input is actually to play music off of a USB thumb drive, as well as the SD card reader. You can use it to play music off the SD card. And then you'll notice a USB port over here, and this is actually a power bank, which is really cool. Now the RPB-XL actually has a 4000 mAh lithium ion battery, so if I turn it on,
pairing.
It's gonna go into pairing mode, but what I wanna show is my iPhone cable here. I'm gonna take this end, a USB-A end, and plug it directly where it says power bank, so it's all labeled for you. You're gonna take the other end. You can see my phone right now is not charging, but once I plug it in, it goes into charging mode, which is really great because if you're on the go and your phone's about to die and you're playing music through your speaker, you don't want it to die, so you can use the power bank just to keep your phone charged on the go. Another really cool feature that we added is LED indicators to know exactly how much battery life you have on the RPB-XL. And if you ever wonder how much battery is left, all you have to do is light click on the power button here. So you just click it once quickly, and then it's going to pull up the LEDs right here. So right now I have about 80% health because I have 4 out of the 5 bars. So if you only see one LED illuminated, that means you're probably going to want to start charging the unit. Now a really cool thing about the RPB-XL is once you connect a smartphone or tablet through Bluetooth, it's going to auto remember it, so you don't have to constantly keep connecting it. And it's really easy to connect it. All you do is go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and you're going to find a device labeled RPB-XL. You're going to click on it. Once you hear that chime, you know you are connected through Bluetooth. We can test it by just playing something. Sounds great. But now an even cooler feature about this unit is that you have the ability to link two of them together through TWS. Now TWS just stands for True Wireless Stereo, which means it's actually going to connect both of these to each other and play the left side of the mix through one speaker, the right side of the mix through the other speaker. Now in order to set this up, the first thing you're going to do is go back into the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and you're actually going to disconnect from the RPB-XL. So I'm going to say forget this device. You're going to hear that chime which lets you know you're disconnected from your phone to the RPB-XL. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn on the other RPB-XL that you have.
Pairing.
It's going to automatically go into pairing mode, and they're going to start searching for each other. Once you hear that chime, you actually know they are connected to each other. And it's really cool because the blue LED indicators on both of the devices are going to let you know which one is the main and which one is the slave unit. So the one that is constantly blue, that's going to be your slave unit, and the one that is flashing blue, that's going to be your main unit. So now what you can do is go back into your phone Bluetooth settings, and you're going to find the RPB-XL. So all you have to do is click on it again. Once you hear that chime, you are now connected and you're going to be playing in TWS. Let's listen to some music to hear that.
Yeah.
See, it's a much bigger sound, and both speakers are playing. You can see the passive radiator doing work, and this is totally wireless. So I can put one speaker on this end, one speaker on this end, and it's a completely wireless connection. Now a cool feature on the RPB-XL series is when your device is connected through Bluetooth and you lower the volume on your device, it's automatically going to lower the volume on the RPB-XLs because they're connected and synced up together. Another really cool feature is when you're connected in TWS, when you power off one unit, it's actually going to power off both units. So hopefully this video showed you how easy it is to connect two RPB-XLs through TWS and just how easy it is to set up in general. But again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support tech team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.